Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. Here on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Telegram as you see and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. And then here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.